This is terrible. I just knew I was muted. No, everything I said was gone. Tiffany. I'm on the laptop is muted so that you don't hear like echo sounds. But on my phone, okay, is unmuted so that it can go into the recording. So bad news, whatever that I said just now is not recorded. No. Oh no. After all the effort, you know. Okay, after all the effort. Okay, never mind, it's okay. At least most of you are here. I shall repeat the most important part. The most important part was our class is champion class for the 2 minutes. I shall share screen again because I didn't get to say it just now. Right, I didn't, it was not recorded. So I have to say it again. We are the champion class! And King Hong is number 2 on our okay. And that's what happened with Jasmine forever. Oh no, they're not me. But there are some challenges. I have some challenges. Oh, they have to challenge me yesterday. Okay, anyway, no time to waste, let's go back to here. Oh yes, and I must say the next important thing that didn't get recorded. Luke was among the top students for review tests in our class. I have to repeat that for recording purposes. Just now I said it and it didn't get recorded. I shall repeat again. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So now the story here is that you have the container. The container. Now the laptop is muted. My phone is not muted now. Okay. Test. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. All right. I must do it instead of saying test 1, 2, right? It's something more fun. Luke, you're awesome. It works. Okay, proof that it works. Now, the container already has some water. I need to add in some more water. That's 1.38 liter to make sure that it's full. So full capacity. Capacity means when the container is full. We talked about that before. So to ensure that, to find that out, I add the amount together. And that is the work that we need to get to. Right. So actually, that you don't really need to draw models for this one, I think. The idea, they are one sentence problems. So not a lot of information that you have to understand. Like the second one, you bought some flour, and some of the flour went to the cake. So basically, you have all the flour, and you use the flour to bake some cakes. Anyone, the ones that are left. So yeah, so you don't probably need a model for that. Okay, because I think the story is pretty easy to understand, right? So that's why it enables us to use a calculator to check our answers here as well. But it will really help if we write the race here and remind ourselves, in this case, there are 2 things we need to check. One, we need to check for mixed number. So the mixed number, if there were any improper fractions, we need to convert to proper fractions. Okay, and then we need to make sure we have units. In this case, the units is kilogram. Okay, so I have 3 and 1/10 kilogram. There are 3 and 1/10 kilogram of flour left. Is that okay? You can solve this yourself, right? Okay, moving on, go a bit faster. Shall I just help you with the level 2 questions? These are quite simple so far, right? Basically, the idea is that you need to know You need to be able to do computation well. Now, these are very straightforward questions. When they come out in the test, they're just worth 2 marks. You either get it or you don't. So you really must be able to get them right. Ming Li ran this, and then Sam is, so Ming Li ran this amount, okay, running. Ming Li, she ran this amount, and then Sam, okay, he ran less. Now, can you tell me this 4/5 kilogram, 4/5 kilometer less, is it the bigger number, smaller number, sum or difference? 4/5 kilogram. Is it the bigger number, the smaller number, the sum, or the difference? Do you have the bigger number? Who's the bigger number? Ming Li. Okay, Ming Li is a bigger number. You have it? You have it. Now, who's the smaller number? Sam. Do you have Sam? No, you don't. That's why you're being asked for Sam. So Sam is the question mark. Do you need the sum? Is it asking for the sum of how much they run together? No, you don't need it. So what's 4/5 kilogram here? 4/5 kilometer here. The difference. Very good. So 4/5 kilometer here, this space here is 4/5 kilometer. That's the difference. Just as how in the story about the container, this is what amount of water it has now, plus the difference that makes to make it full, then you'll give you the full capacity. The same idea, same story. So like this one as well. So I will have 278 kilometer. So Ming Li plus the difference. Doable? So it's just computations after that. So I need to find the first common multiple, in this case, 40. So 2 and 35, 40 plus 32, 40. I get 2 and 37, 40. Is that correct? No, 67. Like this. Oh yeah, it's minus. I went too fast. Samantha is so smart. She didn't copy before she write. Who was busy copying mine? Ha ha ha! You got it wrong. Whoopsie. Yeah, now you know when I start rushing, I make mistakes. Thank goodness, Samantha is a smart one here. She looked at me and said, Miss Lim, shouldn't it be a minus? Yeah, so 278 kilometer minus 4/5 kilometer. I'm sorry, indeed, I was trying to rush a bit and go a bit faster. In my attempt to go a bit faster and end up making mistakes. So Samantha looked at Miss Lim and said, Miss Lim, shouldn't it be minus? Yes, it should be minus. Because we are finding Sam that's the smaller amount. Why do you think you're wrong? Why do you think you're wrong? Yeah, I could be wrong. I never say I must be right. I'm not the answer key, right? And I'm rushing. Hey, don't make that a trendy comment, okay? I will be very sad. I heard that. The trendy comment. My math teacher always makes mistakes. So embarrassing. I suffer so much emotional damage today. Okay, now, well, how about this? I save the level 2 for tomorrow. Okay, I don't need you to do this as homework. Can you try this? Just the level 1 questions. Just these 3 questions. Can you try this, please? Okay. And then tomorrow we'll sort out level 2. And we probably get our test paper back. It depends because on the afternoon I'll be. Let me just turn this off first.